Italy meets Philly in this one-dish Philly cheesesteak pasta. Thanks for tuning in to the Frenchcast Cook. We'll start by prepping our veggies by chopping our onions and garlic and slicing our bell peppers. Then, in a hot skillet, drizzle your olive oil, cook your onions and garlic, and then your ground beef. Once cooked, add your oregano and your sliced bell peppers. Cook until soft, and then add in your broth. Place the lid on the pan to boil the broth. Once the broth is boiling, add in your pasta, making sure that it's all under the liquid. Once cooked, add in your cream cheese. Stir it in for it to melt and create a nice thick sauce. Add in your fresh parsley and the grated mozzarella. Stir it all in, become nice and melty. And just like that, you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe or click on the video for more recipes.